scheme FAME India. What is FAME India scheme? FAME India scheme is faster adoption of manufacturing units in electric vehicles in India. So government wants that there should be a fast rate of electric vehicles manufacturing, so they are providing a particular type of scheme which will help technically as well as financially. In the government is providing help in the setup, in the subsidy part, in the financing part, as well as the same time government is also providing subsidy to the buyers also. So in the starting, buyers are getting a lots of subsidy. So let us discuss one by one. This FAME India scheme is under the mission plan. Actually, at the present time, the government is in mission mode. So they have given the name mission is NEMMP 2020, that is National Electric Mobility Mission Plan 2020, and the FAME India scheme is under this mission, and which is currently running by DHI, Department of Heavy Industry, or we can say Ministry of Heavy Industries. So this is the FAME India scheme, and this scheme is started in 2015 and it started for 2 years. Now after it extended for 2 years more. So the first phase of the FAME India was from 2015 to March 2019, almost 4 years. And in these 4 years, governments tried to build a market related to electric vehicles. So in these 4 years, government have already provided a subsidy more than 500 crores, and they are also interested to provide 10,000 crores subsidy in the phase 2, which started in April 2019 for the next 3 years. So in the next 3 years, government definitely will provide a 10,000 crore subsidy in the electric vehicle section of India. Okay, so let us discuss the history related to this scheme. In 2015, government was very ambitious to take a very fast role in electric vehicles, but at that time the automobile industry was not ready. Why? Because they was a little afraid that whether they can adapt related to electric vehicles or not. So that was not sure. The automobile industry of India was not sure at that time. After it, the government started FAME India scheme and provided financial help, technical help, and related to licensing. So the automobile sector started to work on it. At that time, there was two options for the government. First, to focus on the automobile industry related to electric vehicles, and the second is to focus on the infrastructure related to electric vehicles. So it was the same condition, such as who come first, a hen or an egg. But the government decided to focus on automobile sector. Now, after 4 years, almost 90 to 95% of the automobile industry is ready to work in electric vehicle sections. Most of the companies have already launched their vehicles in 2020, and most of the companies are launching their vehicles definitely in 2020, upcoming 2020 or in 2021. So all are they ready, and most of the launch is already done in electric cars, electric trucks, two-wheelers, bikes, three-wheelers, and luxurious sections. So we will discuss all it one by one. So at the present time, automobile industry is ready, but